yan, may gagawin tayo. Choose natin ang dynamic heads na binago ng dynamic head of Roblox. Okay, ito. So sa Roblox is transitioning while classic second pieces to animated. Third dynamic hits by February, forcing us towards more impressive real-time animated patterns. These head supports lip sign and facial expression but have received mixed review to the lower clothing rendering compared to classic pieces. Dynamic pieces. Okay, this dynamic. Replace classic the second version. Replace with dynamic version. Functionality they support third facial movements, blinking, talking, and can be used with voice chats. Okay, ang sinasabi na ito, dito sa they support third facial movements, blinking, talking, and be with voice chat. So, customizations will animated by default. Settings are being introduced to allow for a static animated setting in the avatar editor. Where the best changes the classic heads and best classic faces. Categories are variable with all as moving the new dynamic formats. Creations UGC dynamic heads up justification design rules typically limiting features to eyes, nose, and mouth. Extra features like drawn lines are makeup and ano, marami pa yan. Ito, panorin natin mamaya. Okay. So, meron tayo mga Mariam updates. Back the shots in Roblox. How to get experience shots how to bring by chat without getting banned. Medyo matagal nga lang. Letter B. I have sent a special signs. Okay, guys, I want to not use this time anymore. Roblox sent me a Roblox message. Okay, ano ito sinabi ng Roblox message? Roblox has the visible distribution on Twitter store product asset design asset ID. Okay, pasahin ko. Version 7 because it's by violate your community standards against misusing the Roblox system. Please review our best practices for making safe. Asset amend and resubmit the asset. If you believe this content decision was in error, you can appeal here. Okay. Tapos I have recent an appeal and I really believe this is not considered a chat. It is a work programs. If the appeal doesn't work, I luckily my quits Roblox permanent as Roblox as benefits with band decisions and I have success elsewhere. But this is just me. What a shame that I might actually quit the platform I grew up on. I already made decisions that my kids won't believe on Roblox. It is as the chats update roll out, I realize some games like RPGs could be affected by these some games being completed unbelievable. The issues two things are apparently not just the caught my eye. First, sending and delivery these types of communication. Most is to go up at text channels, instance answers. Message spec privacy settings are visible to moderators and properly fixed methods. Certain text is not considered chats. Marami pa yan. Sobrang dami pa. Trusted connections. Grabe. Hindi na magalit yan. Ano, marami dito. Pero pangit naman yan eh. Puro bulok. Okay. Pwede na yung ganyan. Bye-bye.